Munich, coming all the way from Germany in the Bundesliga, is set to take on DC United tonight at Audi Field as part of the
But you know they're going to be fit. They don't have a short offseason. You know they're going to be hungry to get back on the field and compete against someone besides their teammates. So, yes, it's their first game of the year, but I expect...
This has become standard fare. Bayern Munich has only played Chicago. That was back when Bastian Schweinsteiger was... This is always a special moment to the FIFA anthem. Both teams take the field. Samaki, a throw for all these players. Donovan Pines getting their names you know there. Sadio Mane gets a start. Came over from Liverpool. So, again, they're mixing quality with DC United in the black, Bayern Munich in the red. Davies on the overlap. Vidovic. Gnabry. Capano coming through. Money. The approach, the strike, and the goal. Sadio Mane has scored his first goal in a Bayern uniform, albeit preseason, albeit a penalty kick. It still counts the same, 1-0. Bayern on top.
And how quickly Bayern can just trying to keep up with the pace at which Bayern play is going to be difficult. It's going to be a tall...
Good recognition on his part. Trying to get it to Gnabry. Davies. Cross to the 6 and kept the hard tracking back. The cut back. It's comfortable. Sabitzer with a shot and a goal. Sabitzer with a howitzer. And 2-0 Bayern. Marcel Sabitzer. What a finish.
It's well worked from Bayern. Just a little combination play just inside the 18.
Capano will make a cross. Getting forward, the crowd rises. And it'll be a corner kick coming up for DC United. Corner kick for Bayern Munich. Sending it in. Skims out. Samaki, wow.
Waiting for the net to dance on that one.
Oh. Samaki. Instead, Roberto.
See Marnie Smith just coming inside from his left midfield position.
Get healthy and continue his surge. And speaking of pressure, Donovan Pines cannot be too casual at the back.
Where the pass may go, it's so difficult at this level. Some of the top clubs in the world, they're looking off their right.
To Marnie Smith. Barry making a run. Wow.
And that's an opportunity.
Was there first.
And that's an opportunity there for DC United. They're going to wish they had done better with. Marnie Smith did a tremendous job.
Well, now, Bayern Munich again. Mane is diagonal run by Sadio Mane. And Kevin read it and collected. Bouncing on it. Turning and down Donovan Pines taking a swipe. Roberto blocked. Oh, DC United opportunities. Opportunities. Plural. Won't pay for this. Gnabry. Mane's onside, and Kevin makes the save. Sadio Mane going over the top, and Kevin comes out. Look out, Sadio Mane. The shot is blocked. Donovan Pines colliding and collecting. Bodies go down. Vidovic. Jackson Hopkins, that's a good ball for Ravel. He's a little bit step off. Not to say good ball, but now waiting for Gnabry and a goal. Serge Gnabry with the strike and the goal, and Bayern with their third. Davis. Alphonso Davies. Gnabry. Mane is offside. Gnabry. Now Sadio Mane slaloming through and a goal. But the flag is up.
I would just...
And it's a club that is capable of making its way back.
Soccer IQ, which is so often...
Yeesh. Wow.
He just
what
got
a
off
shot.
He just got off a plane.
Welcome to Bayern Munich. The lift, the volley, the score on the field for barely a minute. And he has his first goal with his new team. From Juventus to Bayern Munich to the... Simonson's also come on and is queuing up the box. Zane creates some... Muller sending it in. Back post. And Xerxes finishes it. Yosa Xerxes. Tic-tac-toe. Tac-toe. 5-0 Bayern Munich. Now, shot. Takes a ricochet off the post. Simonson's there. That's a goal. Oh, it's in the net. It's in the net. DC United has scored. Well, that's what the home crowd wanted. Martin gets a foot on it, and Jeff All. Straight on the touch.
Fine run from Zane coming from the wing back.
Muller the cross. Xerxes now. Muller. Corner kick, Bayern Munich.
That's an example of what can happen when you're trying to...
Being part of this club. All right. DC United. Di Pietro. Ball. Pines. Oh, yes, it's saved by Ulrich. Aduya was at the far post. Dancing on it. Now, Muller knocks it back. And, Brandon Bush. In his debut with his new team, he almost scored. It was definitely... Kimmich. That's Di Pietro. Turning Hernandez. Warner. Shadowed and tugged by Jeff All. And he's going to get a card as well. 74 minutes. Xerxes. Already a goal tonight. Flag is up. Estrada just a step offside. Di Pietro. Still Di Pietro, the save. Ricochet into the net. Into the net. DC United scores. Di Pietro will not give up. Wayne Rooney appreciates that. And DC United, like Bayern Munich, have scored 2 goals in the second half.
This is all Di Pietro.
This is Muller. Thomas Muller. How far over the attempt? Muller the goal. Thomas Muller giving the Bayern fans what they wanted. The exclamation mark of this match.
Nếu bạn chưa biết về tòa tháp cao nhất thế giới, tòa tháp Burj Khalifa ở các tiểu vương quốc Ả Rập Thống Nhất cao 828 m là tòa nhà cao nhất thế giới hiện nay. Đây là một trong những thành tựu kiến trúc và công trình bậc nhất, vậy nên có rất nhiều điều thú vị xoay quanh tòa tháp này. Trang My Modest đã tổng hợp 10 sự thật thú vị mà có thể nhiều người chưa từng nghe về tòa tháp này.